Hi, it's Natalie from Belcourt Property Group, and today I'm outside 7 Stuart Street in Maylands, a sensational 3x1 circa 1912 character home plus study with full 557 square metre R40 lot, right of way at the rear, double garage. What more could you want? In a very, very popular street that is renowned for its fabulous community vibe. But first off, let's go and take a look inside this fantastic home. Okay, so we are doing our photo shoot and floor plans as well today, so you'll get to meet some of the crew and see them in action. This is the beautiful Federation facade. You can see the gorgeous decked front veranda, beautiful windows and detailing, and gorgeous LED light doors. All 3 bedrooms in this property are exactly the same size, so you do have similar size, so you've got lots of options in terms of setting up the home. Here is the formal entry. How pretty is that? And of course, those beautiful wide Jarrah boards. We've got 2 bedrooms, one off to the left. I'm going to swing here first, and then one off to the right. So you can see in this bedroom, beautiful feature fireplace. You've got shelving either side. If you wanted to, you could convert that to robes. You've got 2 windows, this lovely one that the bed is positioned under. You can see the proportions of the room with the bed sides, and lovely picture window towards the front, and of course these very high ceilings and convenient fan, plus of course you've got the split system aircon. We'll swing around, we'll come to bed 2. Again, split system aircon, gorgeous ceiling rose, beautifully proportioned, very wide room. You can see just how much space there is either side of the bed. Again, the beautiful big picture window. This does have freestanding robes that can potentially stay if needed, but just fantastic proportions, all the things that you love and want in a character home. We come through and we've got the living area, large ceiling rose here, again fantastic space. We'll swing around, and again another fireplace. Plenty of room in this space. You can see back to outside, and we'll go through to bed 3. Now there's an option on the other side of this wall here is a very, very large laundry. I think, look, I'm not a builder, but I think you've got great potential to convert that to an ensuite walk-in robe. Again, just fantastic proportions, lots of room either side of the bed. As I said, I think they're pretty much the same size, most of the bedrooms. You can check that on our floor plans, which are online as well. And plenty of room in this one for built-in cupboards to stretch the whole width of the wall. So that would work particularly well. Now we come through, and one of the things that I really like about this home is that it has got a full height extension. So you've got great kitchen. You can see this has been updated. Beautiful stone bench tops. You've got dishwasher, double sink, corner pantry, overhead cupboards, nice good wide fridge recess. The oven is only 2 years old, that's Bosch, and that's a Miele. And the gas cooktop as well. Come back around and you can see this open plan dining seating space. So lots of room out here, very pretty wood stove propped in the corner. The study is just off there to the back. I'll just come around again just so you can get a better sense of this area and the open plan layout, and of course that beautiful aspect out to the garden. Lots of windows, really lovely and light and bright. I'll pop in here first to the left. This is the main bathroom. You've got, because every bathroom needs a very cute chandelier. And you've got separate bath and shower. And of course, updated vanity. And handheld shower head as well as rain shower head. But check out the size of this laundry. It is huge. So you've got large washing machine, sink, you've got all of this space. You've got the loo off here, so again that could be reoriented and you could have a door out that way, so that could be separate. And you could investigate turning this into an ensuite bathroom as well. Lots of storage too. We'll have a quick look in the study and then we'll pop out the back. So here is the study, conveniently located off the rear dining sitting space and really pretty aspect out to the back garden. As I mentioned earlier, it's a full 557 square metre R40 lot, and it does have the sealed right of way at the rear. You've got this lovely undercover decked area and then also this beautiful extension of the deck with the shade sail, so it is really well done. We will go out to the back. You can see that very large garage workshop. It is triple size and it does have double garage doors. There is a pretty ornate water feature here. That pump is currently not working, but it's certainly there for you to reinstate it if you wish. But check out the man cave. Hello, you're right. As you can see, we're doing floor plans. I mean, how good is this? I mean, seriously, you couldn't ask for a better workshop slash garage than this space. Look at all that storage. How good is that? So that's just another view, the back of the house. Everyone's trying to pop out the way. And you've also got great room up the side here as well. So just really sort of tidy space, all nice and paved and landscaped. I forgot to mention it is reticulated off the bore too. And I will just give you another sense of that beautiful, lovely, wide back veranda slash alfresco and backyard.
Location wise, this one is a cracker. You're about 400 metres from Meltham Station and 750 metres from Maylands, with of course all of the fabulous amenities that surround that station as well. And social precincts, well of course Maylands, but also a mere 850 metres straight up the road, you've got the Beaufort Street Strip and all of the small bars, restaurants, retail and shopping action to be had there. You are also in the Inglewood Primary School zone. That's an important feature too. And about 5.5 k's from the city. All up, it is a fabulous near city locale with great lifestyle options and convenience. Call me now, 0405 812 273 for more details, or see you at a home open. Have a great day.